Betterinvest follows revenue-based financing in movies, also known as royalty-based financing. It is a method of raising capital to meet the business requirements from the investors, who get a share of the company's gross revenue in exchange for the amount invested. Unlike most RBF opportunities where returns can vary, here the model is similar to invoice discounting with fixed cash flow. Movie production houses get their payment from the OTT platforms within 30 to 90 days after the movie's release. Still, production houses require capital in this period to fulfill day-to-day requirements. To meet the gap, movie houses sell their OTT invoices to the investors, lenders, like you. The OTT pays directly to the lenders. This can be explained as follows. 1. The production house sells OTT or music rights where the buyer pays the invoice amount after 1 to 12 months. 2. The production house sells this invoice at a discounted price to the investors who lend money to production houses. 3. Investors receive the invoice amount from the buyer in 3 to 18 months. Features of Betterinvest. 1. You can get a high return on investment of up to 18% PA. 2. The investment is secured and offers confirmed future cash flows from top OTTs and music labels. 3. You can receive returns in a short period of 3 to 18 months. How does Betterinvest manage risk? Betterinvest follows a 5-pronged approach to evaluate deals. Onboarding, they choose only movies that have been sold to rights buyers, OTT/audio labels. Evaluation, it is done on the below parameters. 1. Types of movies, small/mid or star movie. 2. Stage and progress of the movie. 3. Relationship B/W rights buyer and production house. 4. Track record. 5. Pipeline of movies. 6. Other rights partner. Discounting eligibility, 60 to 70% of the contract value is discounted. Tenure, 5 to 12 months. Verification, proof of advance received, assignment contract with the rights buyer. Security, a direct collection letter, post-dated check, indemnity, and personal guarantee. Products offered by Betterinvest. Invest in movie rights. With Betterinvest, you can invest in secured movie rights and get an opportunity of earning high returns. First, you have to click on the Explore Now button from the homepage. Then, you will be redirected to a page with investment opportunities available in movie revenue-based financing. You can click on Get Early Access to invest in a particular movie, and you can see all the details, such as minimum investment required, rate of returns, tenure of the investment, taxes, and deal size. Pros of Betterinvest. 1. Secure. The platform is safe and secure. Your personal details are hosted on a secure cloud network, and all data transfers occur between via 256-bit SHA encrypted channels. 2. No extra fees. The platform does not charge any fee from the investors. The fees are charged by the production houses, and the return on investment is credited to the investors after paying taxes. 3. Fixed returns. Revenue-based movie financing offers 12 to 18% PA fixed returns. This can be a suitable option for investors seeking fixed returns on investment. 4. Diversification. Revenue-based movie financing is not linked to the market and is a great way to diversify your portfolio. 5. Short tenure. You can earn a fixed return in a tenure of 6 to 12 months, which is higher than other fixed return investment options. Cons of Betterinvest. 1. Refund policy. The amount invested cannot be refunded because once you invest, the amount is already financed to the production house. 2. Returns. The returns on revenue-based financing are not guaranteed. The returns depend on the OTT content's revenue. 3. A new concept. Revenue-based movie financing is a recent phenomenon, and there is less awareness and data available. Investors are still making educated guesses about the investment.
So we just saw a Betterinvest business model. This seemed to be a fairly interesting platform because one, this asset class has not been touched till now. Most of the other platforms is just focused on leasing or invoice discounting of conventional assets. But with Betterinvest, you can invest in movie rights, which is something new. Second part which makes it interesting is that this asset class has a very low correlation with the broad market, which means that it will reduce the overall portfolio volatility. I invested in 2 deals on this platform, one being the OTT rights of the movie and second are the audio rights. So this platform focuses mostly on South Indian movies. The reason being the founders are have experience in that micro market and they're comfortable doing the due diligence of the movies and of the series which come in that market. Secondly, they have good connects with both the production houses as well as distributors, so they are able to create a two-way market for this asset class. And this is really important because the most important thing while investing in a deal is to understand that the production house has capacity to complete the work and deliver it, so it should have good prior history of doing good work. And second, the distributor or party which has bought these rights, they should commitments on time. So for new investors, I would suggest they should start small, because though the platform seems quite interesting and has good potential, but still it is a new asset class, and we have we have still to figure out if there anything which we might be holding right now. But gradually over a period of time, we'll understand the asset class in more depth, and probably then we can increase our investments. I expect my investment to mature in the end of March. I'll be reviewing it in my March portfolio review. I'll talk about if I got a cash flow on time and what kind of deals I'll be exploring on the platform. The deal flow definitely looks good. You have deals every week. So which means that if the platform is good, you can definitely add a lot of deals in a very short period of time. These guys provide a lot of detail about the platform, about the deals. So if you see, if you want to check a new deal, check the returns. Then you can check snapshot about the production house, what kind of movies they have done in the past for the movie. Probably you can just Google the movies, so you'll get some idea, about what news trending news about the movies. So and they have answers on some general queries people have on these kind of investments.
If you enjoyed it, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for future video updates. Also, share your reviews in the comments section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.